I'm just using my Embroche. I don't even know how to pronounce this, but this stuff is an amazing moisturizer and primer. If you want your makeup to last all day, you should have this. I've recently been in my red wine era and like not really heavy drinking because that heavy drinking really gets me. I did pick up the Hourglass concealer in the shade Sienna, so I'm really excited to try it. Don't like with this YSL concealer how little comes out at a time. So I feel like I'm constantly dipping back and forth, and I say that's my only negative about this product. Other than that, it's really amazing, and I definitely would pick it up again. Today's contour is the LYS, and I love this stuff. This is in the shade Courage. It's just an amazing contour. You don't need any more, you don't need any less. So I'm gonna just start off by using the LYS foundation brush, and I actually really like this brush. Blend my contour, and then I'm gonna blend out the concealer. And when I blend out my concealer, I'm gonna use a different brush. Put a concealer down my neck. If you guys are new here, the way I blend my concealer changes pretty often. Some days I go in with like a brush, some days I don't. This is the LYS concealer. You see it's like an angle. I love it. I'm super excited to do this red wine makeup look. I'm gonna use the James Charles palette, his new palette, because it has a lot of bomb colors, even though so many people were talking about it, and I feel you. But I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts together. As you see, now we gotta just blend it, just so we can have like a nice seamless blend. Going down at an angle, just touch it up a little bit more. They, you know, made it really innovative, but I don't feel like it puts on enough. The only downside about it. I'm gonna set my face with my Charlotte Tilbury. I love this powder. I'm gonna really focus it under the eyes. Be careful. I'm over here acting like it's a rush. So, you got pee-pee?
I have no eyeshadow in there.
No eyeshadow yet.
But where is the eyeshadow and the pink container?
Oh, I'm gonna give me a second. Oh my, depending on how I feel, I like to set my whole face. So this is just the I'm gonna show you. Give me 1 second. This from Patrick Ta. Contour for the day is the LYS in the shade Courage. It's the same shade that I use to do my cream bronzer, and a lot of people don't even know that they have a powder bronzer that's absolutely amazing as well. Okay, and I'm gonna just take this same shade and contour my nose. Tiny brush and the same bronzer. So today, since it's like a red wine blush look, I'm gonna mix the Patrick Ta and the House Labs. Okay, because both of these are just so pretty, and I've actually never mixed them. Ooh. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna be perfect. Yeah, me too.
I give it a number.
Is it?
Yeah.
Not when it could be a 10 or 100. So we got to bring out the James Charles palette. It should be amazing. So this is going to be my first time looking at it. Oh, it's pretty.
It looks so cute.
This is amazing.
Can you try it?
It's amazing. Head to part 2 so you guys can see how I did this red wine makeup look. Beginner friendly, super fire. Let's get it.